Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor greenery that thrives in the shadows. Join us as we explore 7 stunning plants that not only tolerate, but prefer a life away from direct sunlight. Let's embrace the beauty of shade-loving wonders. Meet the ZZ plant, a sun-shy hero among indoor greenery. Resilient and low maintenance, it thrives in low light. With glossy, dark green leaves, it's the perfect companion for spaces with minimal sunlight. A true shade-loving gem. The snake plant, a sun-shy champion in the plant kingdom. Its upright leaves, resembling a snake's pattern, thrive in low light. Averse to direct sunlight, it's a hardy and stylish choice for spaces craving green without the sunburn. The peace lily, a shade-loving beauty, flourishes in low light. With elegant white blooms and deep green foliage, it's perfect for spaces craving calm. Embracing shade, it brings peace without the need for direct sunlight. Meet the Chinese evergreen, a low-maintenance charmer that thrives in low-light conditions. Its lush greenery adds a touch of the tropics to your space, proving that beauty can blossom even in the shade. Introducing the resilient cast iron plant, a shade-loving marvel known for its durability. Thriving in low-light environments, it's the perfect green companion for spaces that receive minimal sunlight, adding a touch of elegance to any corner. Meet the versatile pothos, or devil's ivy, a sun-shy charmer with cascading vines. Thriving in low to moderate light, it's an ideal choice for those seeking an easy-care, shade-loving companion to enhance their living spaces with lush greenery. Delicate and shade-loving, the maidenhair fern adds elegance to any space. With lacy fronds and a preference for indirect light, it's a perfect choice for those seeking a low-maintenance, sunlight-averse companion in their indoor oasis. And there you have it, folks. The secret to lush greenery without the need for constant sunlight. If you enjoyed our journey through these shade-loving wonders, consider subscribing for more plant tips and inspiration. Happy planting in the shadows!